Today I am super excited to do this makeup look. I decided to turn myself into a cheetah. I'm feeling it. It made me reminisce about the days when I was obsessed with cheetah girls. I thought this was super cute and easy. And if you need a last minute costume, this will be awesome to do. So if you want to see how I do this, just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going in with the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place. This is my first time using it. I'm super excited. And I'm going in with the color Kano. And I'm throwing Kano in my crease. This is just a neutral brown tone. Help as a transition. That's what you see me doing right now. Now I'm going to go in with Mino. And I'm going to deepen my crease. Because I'm doing a feline look today, I am dragging that outer corner out, creating a cat eye, kind of like a wing with that dark eyeshadow. And now I'm going in with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NC35. And I'm going to carve out my crease. This is going to be a half cut crease. So I'm not going to completely block out my lid, just about halfway, a little past halfway, and that's what you see me doing right now. And now I'm picking up the color Ida, which is this beautiful bronze, like a really deep golden bronze, and I'm going to put that in the middle of my lid, and that's what you see me doing right now. And now I'm going to pick up Bakwa. And Bakwa is a gold, a beautiful traditional gold color. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner as what you see me doing here, blending that in with Ida. Now I'm going to go back in with Mino, and I'm going to deepen out that crease, blending it in with those golds and just kind of cleaning everything up. Now I'm going in with my NYC liquid liner in the color black, and I'm just going to create a wing on both eyes, so that's what you see me doing here. And now I'm going to go in with my Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation in the color Mahogany, and I'm going to use that as my base today. This is a matte foundation, and I would recommend using a matte foundation because when we put the cheetah spots on, they won't move or around or anything like that. And if you're going out with this look, you don't want it to move. Now I'm going in with my TooFaced concealer in the color Butterscotch, and I'm just highlighting the high points on my face, my forehead, my nose, and underneath my eyes. And I'm going to blend that in. And I'm just using my foundation brush to do that. And now I'm going in with my Mercier translucent setting powder with a disposable sponge. I'm just going to set my concealer so underneath my eyes, my nose, and my forehead. And now I'm going in with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color 0. And I'm going to put that in my waterline. Putting dark colors on your waterline definitely give you a more feline look. And now I'm going to set the rest of my face with the LA Girl Pro Face powder in the color Warm Caramel. And now I'm going back in with Mino. And I'm going to use Mino just to smudge out my bottom lash line. Like I said, I really want to get that almond feline eye shape. And now I'm going in with the color Oshi. And I'm going to use that just to set my brow bone. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia bronzer, and this is in the color Cappuccino, and I'm just going to bronze my face, is what you see me doing here, bringing a little bit color back in after that foundation. And then I decided to contour, and I'm actually using the black Radiance powder in the color Ebony, and I'm just going to, you know, kind of chisel out my face. And now I'm going back in with that Anastasia bronzer, and I'm going to contour my nose because cheetahs have very contoured nose. They definitely have those distinct black lines on the side, and that's what I wanted to create. And now I'm taking a pencil brush, and I'm picking up that color Bakwa, and I'm going to use this as the center of my cheetah spots. So I'm just randomly putting them on my cheek or where I feel like I want cheetah spots, as you see me doing. And then I'm going back in with my NYC liquid liner, and I'm kind of creating parenthesis shapes around my spots. I'm changing the orientation of them. Sometimes they're horizontal, sometimes they're vertical, sometimes they're diagonal. The more random you are, the better, because cheetah spots are not perfect, and it actually adds to the look when, you know, they're a little messy or a little rigid. So now you see me doing it again, this time on my forehead, and I'm just going in with the liquid liner again, creating those parentheses around the gold, and I'm also adding black lines and dots in between, trying to mimic the fur of a cheetah. And now I'm going in with my NYC liquid crystal liner in the color Crystal Gold, and I'm just picking random spots to kind of put a little gold glitter just to give myself a little bit more shimmer. Now I'm going in with my NYC liquid liner in the color Black, and I am creating my nose. If you look at a cheetah, their whole nose is not black. It's just like the bottom rim of it, so I'm trying to mimic that shape as you see me doing here. Now I'm going into creating that line from the top of the lip to the nose, and I am making it in a triangular shape, which is just like a cheetah. It's not a straight line. There's kind of peer out into a triangle shape. And now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild liquid Catsuit lipstick in the color Widow's Peak, and I am filling in my lips. Cheetahs have two black lips, not one. A lot of people do one lip, but both of their lips are black. And then I'm going back in with that NYC liquid liner, and I'm just creating whiskers. So first I'm creating like those black dots above my lip, which is what you see me doing here. And then I'm hopping to my Juvia's Place loose highlighter in the color Nubia, and I'm going to highlight my cheekbones because why not? And then my brow bone. And now I'm going in and drawing a few whiskers coming from a few of those dots. Not too many. I didn't want to overdo the whiskers, so I think I did about 4 or 5 on each side. And now I decided I wanted to do some cheetah spots on my chest, so I just followed the same pattern, created gold dots using the color Bakwa, using my NYC liquid liner to make parentheses around them, and also creating random spots and dots in between. And then adding that gold liner in between all of them just to give it a little bit of shimmer. And then I went in with my Nars Climax Mascara to give my lashes a couple coats. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I actually really love this look. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And please hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.